The next thing we're going to be talking about is some more advanced object methods. Let's talk about variable argument functions, or VarArgs. VarArgs is a short name for arguments in Java. That means that it's a function that can accept a number of values as parameters. This is useful when we want to handle more than just one argument to give the programmer the flexibility of performing operations on an array of objects. The compiler will treat the variable arguments as an array of the same data type that we're specifying. So what is the difference between requiring a function to pass an array versus a VarArg? It is actually the convenience to the developer using your function. For example, if you require an array, it requires the user of that function to format the data as an array before it can call the function. The VarArg does not require that. Let's look at an example. And we're gonna see string ... is the notation for VarArgs, and we're gonna name it something. Arguments. And then d dot, we're gonna call 1, 2, 3. Notice the commas that this thing is allowing us to pass it as if it was multiple arguments. So for example, in this case, for int I equals 0 until I less than arguments dot length I plus plus, we can do such things. So we can then call the exact same function, but we're gonna now call it with numbers in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you could notice that in the first time we called the function with 3 arguments, in this one we called it with 4 arguments. We didn't have to rewrite absolutely anything. And we are accessing the arguments via the normal way that we would handle an array. So we run it, we're gonna print 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just because we call the exact same function with different variable arguments.
Notified about these videos as soon as I upload them, just subscribe to this channel.